No, you don't judge me, 'cause if you did, baby, I judge you too. 'Cause I got issues, but you got them too. So give them all to me, and I'll give mine to you. Bask in the glory of all our problems, 'cause we got the kind of love it takes to solve them. Yeah, I got issues.
Gonna get right into this, guys. I'm starting off with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe, and I'm using this to prime my eyes, and then I'm gonna set up the AIRSPUN translucent powder. Starting with this light blue, I'm going to use it as my transition shade, and I'm going to blend it all over my crease and above my eye, basically all over the eye. And I'm just doing back and forth windshield wiper motions, and I'm also doing circular motions. I'm going to take my time and really build this color up, just blending, 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 and adding as much as I need. And then I'm going to go into a darker blue, and we're going to just build up the color slowly. And this is basically how the process goes for all shadows. You start with a lighter color, and then you slowly transition into a darker color. Going into darker blues, I'm going to take those two blues and I'm going to focus it only in my crease, but I'm also going to blend it into the lighter blue so that it just transitions smoothly and looks really blended. Another tip for blending, make sure that you're using a light hand. You don't want to be too harsh, because then it's not going to come out the way you expected. Taking my e.l.f. crease brush and a darker shade of blue, I'm blending it into the crease and focusing only on the crease. And then I'm going into this really dark blue out of the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I took this little pencil brush thingy and I just focused on the crease, and then I'm gonna go with the other brush I used and blend it out. Using a flat top brush and the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, I'm gonna cut my crease. Going into that bubblegum pink, I'm going to put that in the front part of my cut crease, and then I'm going to go into this purple and I'm going to put it on the other side. So I didn't realize that my camera wasn't recording for that part, so when I finally got it recording, I tried to show you guys what I did. So basically I took the pink and I put it in the front part and I patted it on using a flat top brush, and then I took another brush and I patted on the purple. Using my NYX glitter primer, I did a thin line above my blue liner, and I then applied purple glitter on top of it, which fell all over the floor and I had to put it in trash. But with the blue liner, my camera wasn't recording, so that didn't show. Let's have a moment of silence for the sleigh. And now we're back at it again. I'm using the Tantastic Highlight by Milani to highlight my brow bone. Now that our eyes are done, I'm going to move on to my face. I already have my foundation and primer and all that on my face, so we're just going to go straight into concealer. But I do want to talk about the Mega liner that I use. It does crack a little bit, and I know I didn't really get this on camera because my camera stopped recording. You can't really tell. It's really like minor. I know the NYX liner cracks too, so I don't know. Maybe all like colorful liners crack, but I haven't found a colorful liner that doesn't crack. So if you have any suggestions, make sure that you comment below, because I need a colorful liner that doesn't crack. But anyway, I'm gonna move on to my face, and I'm going to start off by concealing. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe. Using my beauty blender, I'm going to blend all of this in. For my contour today, I'm going to be going into my Black Radiance contour palette, the cream kind, and I'm going to the darkest shade. I use this a lot just because I like it and it's cheap. So I'm just gonna apply it with my beauty blender and then blend it in. Going to my AIRSPUN translucent powder, I'm just going to set my concealer areas. Into my powder, Black Radiance contour palette, I'm going to use the sculpting shade to dust off this powder. Going into the darker shade, I'm going to contour, well, set my contour. And then I'm going to the darkest shade in this e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm just going to put on some blush. Going back into the Tantastic highlight that I use for my brow bone, I'm going to highlight. Going back into this, I'm going to go into the purple I used under my, not under, but on my eye, and I'm just going to put under. I'm going to use my blue eyeliner to try to underline this. And now I'm going to put on my mascara. Going into my Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette, I'm going to dip into Amp and put it in my inner corner. My lip combo, I'm going in with my brown lip liner. Then I'm going in with this e.l.f. lip gloss. It's actually a lip plump. I didn't know that when I got it, but it's Pink Cosmo and it's bomb. It does like tingle a little bit, not like a Blistax or Carmex kind of tingle. It's like a little bit more severe than that. If you don't like tingly stuff or things that like burn, then I wouldn't recommend this. It does have little glitters in it and it's super cute, so that's why I got it, but it does burn. And I don't feel like it plumps my lips up because my lips are kind of already plump, so I don't feel like it does anything to my lips. Super freaking bomb. You know I live for clear gloss, so this is freaking amazing. If you ever accidentally like ate a Paula pepper while you were eating like food, I don't know about y'all, but I'm always accidentally eating a whole Paula pepper. And when you lick your mouth when you're eating spicy food and your lips burn, like that's what it feels like. But because I'm kind of used to it, it doesn't bother me, and it goes away like after like a couple minutes. But yeah, the one I have on is Pink Cosmo. I already said that. It's a clearish pink and it has little sparkles in it. And this one is Peach Bellini, and it's more of a peach gloss basically, and it has more color in it. It's not really clear. It has like a little bit of tint in it. So these are the two kinds I got, and they're really bomb, and both of them are like $5, but I ordered it online, so I had to pay for shipping and stuff. So yeah. So if you like this look, make sure that you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my last video, which was a colorful cut crease. It was Barbie inspired and it was really dope. Make sure you check that out. If you want more looks like this, comment below any suggestions or looks that you would like me to do, and make sure that you put on that notification bar so you don't miss out on all of this. And I'll see you in the next video. Remember to always be beautiful and love yourself.